Greetings, Rafiki. Are you ready for an awesome ride? Are you ready to daydream, to think, to wonder? Well, let's get into it. Let's go! Today we're going to put you in a good place. Yes, to challenge, but also to relax and adjust perspective. Let's kick some sand, relax your mind, take it slow, elevate your spirit, elevate your soul, elevate your thoughts. Take it all in. Because life is today. It goes by so fast. But what you do have is today. So take mental photos, really capture it. Deeply appreciate everything. Cultivate extreme gratitude. Because every day is, well, amazing. Yeah. Have you paused recently? I mean, have you really paused? Taken a good moment to reflect on how sensational all this is. Every little detail, every aspect. It just goes on and on. I mean, one thrilling color after the next. Every tree, every wave, every blade of grass. It's just mind-boggling. Come on. Now it's just showing off. Yes, peace is out there. Just look. Look at that peace. But you know what? It's up to you. Track that peace down. Make it a priority. Because only you can cultivate that peace. And yes, you are strong enough. And meanwhile, what do we have? The show just goes on. Look at this. It's there for us. Blue skies, friendly clouds, serenity, awesome landscape. We have everything. I mean, it's enough beauty for us to cultivate that gratitude and then experience the inner grace that thus ensues. Grab life. We just have to cherish it. There's just no end. So much beauty, you would never stop being amazed. Even if you were to live 50 lives. Life truly is indeed a journey, no question, no doubt about that. In the meantime, decide to be conscious of the absolute spectacle around you, the many gifts that are presented to you each day. Get after it. You're cruising. Yeah. I mean, God, so much fun. You scream with glee. You know it's true. You do. This life is absolutely wonderful. You see, cultivating gratitude is a decision that we must make daily. So which side are you on? Grateful? Entitled? Appreciative? Dissatisfied? Thankful? Cocksure? Content? Arrogant? In a single moment, you lean. Focus on the crazy abundance of life. Before all that wonderful reaching, seeking, striving, I ask him, consider this. Circle first. Grace. 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 An ability to invoke grace into your life will aid you in distress, and grace will facilitate your access to gratitude, assuring you inner peace. Peace and gratitude to all of you, and thank you for watching.